Welcome to my channel. It's Chris with Breaking Conformity, where we inspire others to get out of their comfort zones and break through the walls of conformity. Today, we are at the Hoover Dam, which is 35 to 40 minutes outside of the Las Vegas Strip. The first part of this video is on the scenic bridge looking over the Hoover Dam, and the second part of the video is actually walking on the Hoover Dam. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, I would really appreciate it if you hit that like button, comment, and shared it. Exclusive new content is on the way. With that being said, enjoy the video. This is the Mike O'Callaghan, Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge. I hope I pronounced it right, but I'm pretty sure somebody will correct me. It looks like it's the scenic overlook. And then we have down here. Ooh. Morning. This is beautiful. And that is the Hoover Dam. The Hoover Dam. Wow. Look at how much water was lost. You could tell by the marks. Yeah. The marks on the mountain. 65% is gone since the drought.
All wrong.
I hope she's not wrong where we got that source from, but so construction in 2005 to 2010, so it took them 5 years. So it took them 5 years to make this. Sorry for the loud noise. It's a bunch of cars going by, and this is a highway next to it. Look at that. That is crazy. Get out his way. Okay. Bridging greatness. That's what it's saying. Oh, you almost went. Don't fall in the water, please. Or that's not water under you.
That's it. Oh, babe, I know why they have all these people's names.
Oh, a lot of people died by while they was building it.
Yeah, a lot of people died while building it.
Oh, that makes sense. That makes sense. It's beautiful. Excuse me. No problem. Let me get closer. Mm-hmm. Let's see. This is how it looks. And oh, how many federal funds went to this? 100 million, 100 million, 20 million, 20 million. Nevada and Arizona pitched in together for this. This is a long bridge. So I think on half of this is Nevada and half of this is Arizona. So I think if we walk in the middle of it, like right about here, we in Arizona and, and Nevada. So we're gonna go over there and walk the Hoover Dam over there. We're gonna go over there and walk across, and then one side is Arizona, this side, and this side is Nevada. And it's gonna let you know. You see these statues? Got the American flag up there too. Speaker?
The shield is worn on the breast of the eagle without any other support to denote that the United States ought to rely on its own virtue. The motto of the United States, E pluribus unum, out of many one, is inscribed on the scroll held in the eagle's beak and refers to this union. The olive branch and 13 arrows grasped by the eagle allude to peace and war. Power solely vested in the Congress.
And the
And the
American
constellation
flag.
of stars breaking through a cloud symbolizes the new nation taking its place among the sovereign powers.
You can read that,
The colors
pause it if you
have
like,
specific meanings. White,
and we're back on tour.
innocence. Red, peace. Blue, vigilance, perseverance.
Let me take a picture with you on you? Are you good?
Are you on a picture?
Oh no, no, I'm good.
The official
Yeah,
flags
we can go. Let's go.
of the 7 basin states that share the Colorado River provide a perch for the eagle to rest. Also located on the monument is a large marble compass. It depicts the 12 signs of the zodiac and indicates
That's what I thought. Like they have all the planets.
Zodiacs? Right here?
past the compass and the bronze
Oh.
clocks on the canyon wall continue to the concrete
Oh, with all the zodiac signs.
exhibits and information of the Bureau of Reclamation in the Colorado River. Oh, and don't forget to rub the toes of the statue. Local folklore has it that this will bring you good fortune.
So, that's me. Sagittarius.
Welcome to the Winged Figures of the Republic, which were sculpted by Oscar J.W. Henson. This work of art is designed to
I have a good clip with you in it.
building genius of America. In the same way, representing Egypt.
Across the street. We're going across the street right here. It's pretty early in the morning, so that's why it's not a lot of people here. About like 9 o'clock. Ooh, look. Now we see it from this angle.
Oh, this is the other side. Wow.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. She's amazed. And
How many stories that's up?
I'm not sure.
I would say at least 200.
I don't know. I just know that it's scary.
That's how cool. That's the bridge we were on.
Right. Yeah, that's the bridge we were on. Okay. So that's Nevada time. So wait, Arizona's hour is 1 hour ahead.
I don't know.
So these are the
There's no
restaurants. I I don't know, but it has a clock right there. It says Nevada time, so I'm assuming on the other side it says.
I've seen a lot of
Oh, that's a restroom. See, it says Nevada time right here.
I wonder if
Hold on. I just zoomed in. Whew. Let me zoom in on this.
It is a different time, I think.
Wow.
No way. That means that it takes me 7 hours to get to you.
No, it don't.
How come I always get there, like, if I left there on my time?
Oh, no, look at the clock over there. The clock over there, it looks like the time is the same time.
No, it looks a little different.
We're gonna double check. It's just beautiful. We should check out the other side too. Let's cross this way. Oh, so they have an event center? Hoover Dam Spillway House. Event center. Huh. They're having a meeting. That's pretty cool. Hopefully they're talking about how to get the water, working on global warming. Ooh, wow, look at this. The bottom of this. Wow. Crazy, very crazy. It's beautiful though. It's greenish.
Is it the one that's attached to Lake Mead?
Yeah, I think, yeah, it is. This is attached to Lake Mead. Huh. Oh, wow. That looks beautiful. Oh, wow.
Look at people threw a bunch of coins.
Oh, wow. Somebody threw a bunch of coins right here. Trying to wish, but I don't know if their wish came true or not because it landed right there, not in the water. Oh, God. Ooh, look at how much the water has dropped. Oof, look at that. That is heavy. The water used to be right there.
A lot of gallons.
Ooh, ooh. Watch yourself. It's like something in that water. It looks like it might be a boat.
Oh, yeah.
It looks cool. Okay, you ready? Maybe some of that water. We literally are about to walk to Arizona. Nice gold doors.
Flood control,
Flood.
navigation, irrigation, water storage, and power.
Hmm.
Oh, so they're creating
Oh, yeah, they're getting power. Hmm. Yeah. I remember going inside one time. Oh, wow, it's a boat right there. I want to get that.
Looks like a space.
Low key, though. Look at that boat right there. Right here.
These beams are really nice.
Right? Oh, it looks like the boat is right there, and like maybe they get out and they walk up those stairs. But that's steep. If you fall, it's like You pretty much in the water.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I thought it was like crash there, but I see what you're saying.
Grandma. Grandma, strong hand. Yeah. Look, right here. We in the middle of Arizona. Head this way.
Period.
And Nevada's this way. See, right here on the border. Then it says a modern city. Oh, a modern civil engineer. You can go ahead. Modern civil city. Okay. It says a modern civil engineering wonder of the United States. One of the 7 selected by the American Society of Civil Engineers, 1955. They put in work. Nevada, Arizona, Nevada. Okay. Let's put in work. Arizona. Babe, you see, we do travel a lot. I take you across the state lines all the time. And I do it in a matter of seconds, baby. You know? Tuh. They got the park rangers out here looking out for people doing suspicious activity. Don't be suspicious. 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 Do you want to walk all the way to the end of Arizona? Yeah, Arizona's kind of boring. Been there. Dang, baby, we ain't even been over here for 5 minutes and you tired of Arizona. I'm so corny. Damn, 1935. That's insane. Let's walk this side.
That's how long it's been. That's not bad at all.
Yeah. I know it's probably a lot of people died building this. Let's go right here. I think we just need a little shade right quick.
Yeah, that shade does
Whoa.
wonders.
Just, this is beautiful. And we are got that right. Arizona side and Nevada side. Boom. The Hoover Dam. Boom. It's finished a while. You ready? You can walk closer to the shade.